Hey cool kids, welcome back to the Cool Kids Campus.
Hello, cool kids! We're going to make a paper airplane. My dad taught me how to make this one. It's a jet. You can pause the video anytime to complete a step. Tap play when you're ready to move on. You'll need one piece of paper. Step 1. Place the paper in front of you the long way, not the tall way, the long way. Step 2. Bring the bottom edge of the paper up to meet the top edge of the paper. Match up the corners. Rub the bottom to create a nice crease. Now it looks like a hot dog bun. Step 3. Bring the top right corner down to meet the folded edge. Line up those edges to create a triangle and a nice point. That will become the nose of your airplane. Rub to create that crease. Step 4. Flip the paper over and do the same on the other side. This time, grab the top left corner and bring it down to meet the fold. Line up those edges and create a nice point. Rub to create that crease. Now our airplane looks like this. Step 5. Bring the top left corner down to meet the folded edge. Line up those edges and create a nice point. Rub to create a crease. Now our airplane looks like this. Step 6. Flip the paper over and bring the top right corner down to meet the folded edge. Line up those edges and create a nice point. Rub the top to create a crease. Now our airplane looks like this. Step 7. Grab the top edge of the airplane and bring it down to line up with the bottom edge. Line up those edges and create a nice sharp point in the front. Crease and rub. You are creating the wing and the nose of your airplane. Step 8. Flip the airplane over. Take the top edge and bring it down. Line it up with the bottom edge. Create a nice sharp point. Crease and fold. You are creating the wing and the nose of your airplane. Our airplane looks like this. It's time to open up those wings. Flip your airplane over and pinch the inside. This is the part you will hold on to when you launch your airplane. Pinch it between your pointer and thumb. Pull up those wings. We're going to rub the sides of the wings to help them stay up. Rub your pointer and thumb down the edge of each wing. Make sure you have a nice straight point for the nose. When you launch your airplane, you want the nose of the plane going straight ahead when you release it. You don't want the tip of the nose to point down or up. want the point to point straight ahead. This will help your airplane to soar. Now your jet plane looks like this, and it's ready for a test flight. Have fun flying and counting the steps. How far did your jet plane fly? Thanks for making paper airplanes with us. We hope you'll join us again next time for another Cool Kids Campus How To. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the Cool Kids Campus for more stories, learning, and fun.